basically you have to own this when you have a kid. Can I Google on this? Well, you can't Google on the kid, but you can Google.
This car is held on by Gorilla Glue and hopes and dreams.
Off-road use and race use only, because that's just...
What is up, guys? Welcome back to Backwards Garage. Thank you guys for watching our episodes. Today what we have going on is we're putting some cosmetic touches on the 350z. We had my duckbill spoiler came in. We have some mirrors that we're going to be putting on, some different mirrors, and then also our quick release steering wheel supplied by NRG, and then Grip Royal. Again, not sponsored, but hit us up if you want us to. We're always down. We are also not in the farm today because it is Wisconsin weather and I can't drive the Z when there's salt on the road. So we are in the original Backwards Garage, so I don't think there's anything else. We're going to get to this video, guys. Let's get the ball rolling.
Alrighty guys, Bailey's peeling off the last of the badges on the back here. We're in a little Goo Gone action on this here. And we got the Amazon special today. This right here. That's gonna be going on. It's actually in really good, like, how would you explain it? It's not poor condition.
It was from a company on, like, it wasn't Amazon like brand wing. It's I can't remember the company that I got.
I don't think Bezos is out there producing wings. I don't think so, but honestly, it's really not bad condition. I'll try and be nice on the candy paint under here, but
again, guys, this is all about
this. Let me come this way.
The whole point of this build is like affordable car where it can look nice, cosmetically, stuff like that, without spending thousands and thousands of dollars. There's a bunch of people that always do, like, you know, $1,000 versus $10,000 like coilover, stuff like that, like whatever. Like, this is affordable cosmetic stuff. I was looking at mirrors, like, you spend $400 on like carbon fiber mirrors for like what, 2 extra light, like, makes no sense. Makes no sense to spend $400.
I believe those mirrors are Amazon special too, yeah?
No, those
not
ones
carbon.
Those ones were.
They're not real carbon.
They are carbon print, guys. They are. I can't remember the company I got them from, but again, functionality, like, as long as they work, who cares? Why spend $500?
Just noticed. You're gonna be cleaning this thing a lot. Look at all the...
Yeah, we'll get it.
Yeah.
We'll get it. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. We're gonna get the rest of these badges off, get the Goo Gone going, and go from there.
Wing is on. It looks fantastic. Clears up the back of these cars. I'm not a big fan of the back without at least a duckbill like this, and it looks great. It's a little bit dirty, but you know, we'll get to that some other day.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it. I think it gives it a whole different, like, definition as far as like you said, the back end and everything. They're just so bubbly. So you
bubbly.
Have, yeah, they're bubbly. They're bubbly. So you gotta have a little something to kind of break it all up, which is nice. So, and I might actually leave it black too. I don't know. I don't mind it with the wheels, honestly, with this being black, you know, a little bit of silver. Kind of, we went with just the stainless steel screws and everything too, kind of offset. compared to them being black and stuff. So, yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna get to our next step here.
Yeah, so next
step is Bailey's favorite part. That wheel. Look at that.
Ugh.
Looks great.
Can't
it's
get
stuck
it up.
in the
There we
box.
go. Steering wheel.
If I could manage.
Steering
Look
wheel.
at that.
We got that.
She
Got
is sweet.
Some quick release stuff too. Then adapter. You need this stuff when you're
You got the
putting
nice
on the new-
adapters too.
Yeah. So a short hub adapter, and then also a quick release. This is all NRG, so got a cover too. But nice little carbon fiber thing.
Oh, scratching the candy paint.
Nice. That's all right. But yeah, carbon fiber.
Oh lordy.
Carbon fiber, NRG, super nice. So let's now that we got the wing finally done, let's go ahead and get the steering wheel. So there's two screws right here when you pull the steering wheel off.
Yep.
Usually they're Torx. Mine are Allen heads, so someone was in here for sure messing with this stuff. So you're gonna have the Torx. You want to make sure you pull those out. That's gonna pop the airbag right out. Two clips here. You'll have to lift up these black tabs, and then they pop right out. Then there was maybe the horn or something like this. I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it was just clipped on right there. I'm gonna pull that off. So now we just get the 19 nut. And this thing should pop right off.
Hopefully we don't need a puller on that.
Yeah.
My car did. It took me about 2 days.
We're gonna reef it. Initial thoughts, I actually really like it. So with between the quick release and then the short hub, the steering wheel obviously is closer. So there is that, which is nice. So I will be able to actually go back, I think, a little bit and still reach the pedals okay. So that's nice, but it feels so much better. It feels like a race, like not race car, but it feels like a race car.
This is our version of a race car.
It's our version of a drift car.
Drivers,
you know, we can just do a little whoop-dee, you know, the little pull, that. Everything feels nice. It feels nice. I gotta make sure my hands stay clean because this is suede. Fancy.
Hey guys,
probably
did you
the
know
fanciest steering wheel I've had, guys.
Suede?
It is suede.
Did you know it's suede?
It's suede. Black stitching, red. Wanted to go with the exterior since we're not painting it. We'll just respray it red if we're gonna be painting it. So wanted to stick with the red theme. Yeah, I'm happy. So now we're gonna get rid of these god-awful mirrors.
Hint, mirrors.
Yep, these mirrors are awful. Away. So I have other mirrors that we're gonna put on now. So we're gonna see how those look and go from there. That's it, G.
Just show them really quick.
They just cracked.
split open.
These things, they didn't hone it out enough or anything. Honestly, what I'm gonna do on the next one is just drill them out a little bit. I should have done it on these ones, honestly. Should have done that. So for now, we're gonna throw some Gorilla Glue in these cracks, just temporarily. I can order some new ones of these and call it a day, but we'll just reinforce it a little bit because we don't want this thing flying off on Highway 53.
Thoughts?
Hate them.
Hate them.
Hate them.
He said hate, not
With
dislike.
Actual passion. It's actually very frustrating. So we're gonna put the stock ones on. This is trash. Honestly, do not recommend at all. They're terrible.
Unless you're an F1 race car driver, stay away from these.
Okay, there's mirrors out there that look good that are this style, but whoever made these are terrible and they should lose their engineering degree or whatever they have, because these are literally awful. They're awful.
Yeah, it doesn't. They don't even come with seals or anything around the outside, so all you see is all that dirt and grime in there. You see a huge gap right here.
Yep.
And this is all lined up correctly. They're super flimsy. Like enough wind, you could go.
This is loose. We could tighten that.
Yeah, but you
could
know
solve that. But
you got all these gaps and everything in here, and
nope, hate them.
all right, well,
We're gonna put the stock ones
we're
back
gonna be
on.
going back to the stock one, which I had thrown back.
We didn't take off that side yet.
Right here. Yeah, we stayed with taking only one off as a trial, which is what we always recommend.
Which this is exactly why. So let's do it the backwards garage way and
Back to the brand used, brand new stuff.
put everything back.
We might as well just play these videos in reverse. Look at this. First wash since Bailey here has owned the 350z. I don't blame him. It's been, you know, busy and it's just not great outside, but it looks fantastic. Obviously the car washes.
So much chip paint now that this is clean.
Now that it's clean, I don't know if you guys can see that.
This.
Oh yeah, they can. Look at that.
Yeah, this
Either
needs a
way,
full respray.
this is, yeah, something will be done with that in the future. But other than that, I mean, it looks really clean.
It is. It is, guys. So one cool thing that we are now going to be doing here, stay tuned, we've got stickers. And we're going to be making some other merch. You know, we're going to have some maybe sweatshirts, stickers, things like that.
Speaking of sweatshirts right there, turn around for them.
Garage.
Let us know if you guys want something like this.
You guys have been seeing them, so stay tuned for that. We're working out some things, trying to get some connections built up, things like that. But yeah, we got some other things we need to figure out. I think next video, what we're going to end up doing is actually introducing your car.
That is correct.
I think it's going to be fun. I'm on a waiting point. I just ordered a bunch of parts for like an angle kit, suspension, stuff like that. So I'm kind of in between. We're in a waiting game, so I'm thinking it's a perfect time to bring in your car. What do you think?
I think it's about time.
All right.
I got some parts ordered that have been sitting around. I just had to get a few little mix match things, but there's a few things that we can get done. I got a one car garage, but you guys will see that. We'll get it done.
And we might even bring his car over to my house and we'll figure it out, the OG backwards garage.
Yeah, very true.
Guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I know we're kind of all over the place with this one, but thank you for watching. If you have any thoughts, leave your comments and thoughts below. Like, subscribe, all that to the channel. Thank you for watching, like I said, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Ew.